Here's my setup for the self-rotation of the batteries. So I'm going to train it for a while. The approach that I had, so first of all, I discharged it completely, and then as you can see, I got 16.2 ampere hour instead of 70. Then I charge it using this smart charger. It goes up to 9.1 amp hours, and now I'm discharging it again. So here you can see 221 watt lamps, so it's about 3.6 amp per hour, and by now I have 1203, which should be around 50% full. So after the one iteration from 16.2, I managed to pull it to 26.6. So it's not half, but 30-40% of what I expect. And then I'm going to charge it again, so I don't do the full discharge. So from now I'm using this intelligent charger, plus it will be 2.7 amp, not 4, but 2.7 amp charging, because it has the constant voltage, while this using constant current and constant voltage, then the floating. So this is my way to restore the capacity of the battery. And you shouldn't leave it too long without charge. So if you do this one up to 10-11 volts, then you need to start charging immediately. Make sure that you have the electrolyte in all the cans inside.